live. I wish I could share. I wish there was a way to share this when you go live. So I was trying to let a couple of people come in here if anybody's gonna come. It's usually like 2 or 3 people, and that's cool. Deck coating and deck repair and that type of stuff ain't super exciting, right? So, update on the river deck. I found it today. Jeremy said he already blew it off once, but the big thing is these helicopter seeds land on here, and this whole thing, this whole deck system was covered in these. And that's part of the reason probably that this deck system, sorry Jeremy. That's probably a lot of the reason why this deck system probably takes on you know, a lot of damage is all these seeds that fall from these trees. If you don't clean them off, see all these trees around here. And I tell homeowners is to get you a little cheap blower. You get them at Harbor Freight for like 20-30 bucks. Get you a little cheap blower and stick it out near your back deck somewhere. Every couple days, make sure you blow those off of there, because they hold moisture, number one. They get down in the cracks of your boards and they hold moisture, and they cause chaos on your fastener systems, and they're just not great. They're not great things to have on your deck. I know some people let them get piled up like knee high on their deck, and then they wonder why they're having problems with board rot and why their coating system, why they're having. You got to clean that stuff off your deck system always. Never let that stuff sit on there for more than a couple days. So as you guys can see, we're almost done with the restoration phase of this. So this band board, this 2x8 band board, we replaced this, and we've taken this out. There was a wall here, and we're leaving that out, right Jeremy?
Yes sir.
The reason is because it was creating a situation where the steps butted up to that wall, and water was holding on the steps because of that. And we also took out the wall on that side, and both of those walls are going to stay out. Is there any rest of it coming out? The back of these, are they staying on?
Yeah, they're fine.
They're staying on? Okay. So the goal here, right, was to come in and replace any lumber, any wood that was absolutely absurdly rotten, that had to come out, where there was no other option. It was gone, right? And so we'll be done with that today. All the absurdly bad lumber in here will be gone. So we'll blow all these little helicopters off of here again tonight before we leave. I think tomorrow we have some silverback epoxy repairs that are going to be made to some large gaps, some large cracks. And then we're going to come in with the coating system and lock this all down. This is peeling deck paint, peeling bare deck over, lockdown encapsulation. If you guys haven't seen, not sure if you guys have seen what this deck looks like from the outside. I'll show you guys real quick. We got a little bit of a mess going on because we're working, but it's going to be a cute little deck system. Once it's done and once it's complete, she's going to be shocked at how well this turns out. It's going to be a, from what she had, this is going to be a complete 180, you know it? 360. We're going all the way around. But yeah, this deck right here is going to turn out gorgeous. Just wait till we get the thick build on here. The thick build Kong armor to come in and encapsulate this sun-scorched wood. You know, it's older. A lot of it's sun damaged. And when we rebuild this out, oh boy. You want to talk about, you'll think this thing's brand new, buddy. You'll think this deck system's brand new, bud, when we're done with it. Now, she was facing down. Let me just tell you. Jeremy's out over there ripping rotten steps out right now. Probably facing down over 20 here. Over 20 grand. For a contractor to come in. Worst case scenario, best case scenario, rip this down to the frame and start over. That's serious money. Serious money. She ain't gonna pay that with us. It ain't even gonna be it's gonna be a small fraction of that. She'll walk with lifetime limited. She'll walk with lifetime service for her coating system. A fresh start. It'll be a fresh start for her. All the rotten wood will be gone. The only old wood that will be remaining is wood that's good. Might have a little bit of sun damage and we're going to resurface it, but outside of that, it's good wood. You can see here the pilling. You can see the pilling bear deck over here. Let me kill that. Pilling bear deck over everywhere. When we come in, we'll encapsulate these bolts, everything. So it'll be a complete encapsulation of this deck system. You can see these little helicopter seeds wreak havoc. All right, I'm gonna show you guys real quick just how badly. See if I can switch this. Just so we can show you before and then after, so you guys can get an idea of how much better things get for you guys when you switch from thin residential deck paints to a thick build industrial high stretch coating. How much better things can be for you, right? This coating system never stood a chance to protect this deck system. With these helicopters, look at this sun, dude. Look at this. Right above this deck, all day long. UVA and UVB rays beating down this system, causing adhesion degradation. But look at the massive, I want to show you. Look at the massive expansion and contraction cycles this wood has been through. This wood has been through a lot of expansion and contraction cycles. It's got ridging in it. Look at this. Look at that ridging in that wood. We come through here with our system, but it's tough. I mean, it's still there. It's just got surface damage. When we come through here with our system and rebuild this out, you guys won't even know. You'll be like, wow, I can't believe that. I can't believe that deck looks like that. It's going to be a gorgeous deal. Wanted to give you guys an update on where we are on this. We'll be done with replacing all the wood today. We're going into lockdown encapsulation tomorrow. Lockdown encapsulation, the whole system. We're going to engulf this thing in thick build, high stretch elastomer. When I'm done, you guys are going to be like, wow, watch. See you guys later.